Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little tutorial. I'm just going to assemble the Kscraft new purse box that she has in store. I couldn't wait to play with it when I got it. So basically I just cut out the main piece, which is the non-stitched. So this one I cut it out twice, front and back. This is the bottom, and then this one is the side piece, so I cut it out twice, and I cut all this out in 110-pound cardstock to give my bag sturdiness. And then the layering stitched pieces, for the front, I did this guy in acetate, and then I also did it in paper to give it a shaker, and it just turned out so cute. The handle, I cut this out in 110, and then this in decorative, and then the sides, decorative as well. And the pieces that I'm leaving off are the bottom. I think you can like add it right here if you wanted, but I'm just gonna leave it off because I want to see the most of my shaker. And then this layering piece is the bottom, but I'm not gonna layer that either. I'm going to fold all these guys, the little teeth piece in, and fold these little side parts up, so it's gonna hold my walls. I barely arch, so I have some wiggle room. You're gonna glue and curve along the edge because this does curve, so this can curve too. So I'm just gonna do glue on this whole section versus on each little tooth. I don't care that the glue gets everywhere. And I'm just gonna start in the corner. Turn it to the side so you can work with the glue as it's drying. Okay, kind of go like this and just shape it to the bottom of your piece. And it is already taking form. My Temu folders. Ooh, I like the way that sounds. Okay, curving it like so. Already having the part, so I'm going to do the other side. This part I'm probably going to glue on my shaker so I can get a good hard rub on it. You could easily cut these two pieces together, the stitched piece and the stitched piece and the back piece, and make a shaker together, but it was a thin piece, so I didn't want to do that. It would have been a thin shaker is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to lay him face down, and then again, just do some barely arts. This tray is clear, so that's why I'm just doing it like this versus each little triangle, because time is money. I don't have a lot of time to craft, and I love crafting, so I'm gonna do the lazy way. Pull it to the side and see where it needs to curve. Okay, so now I have the fronts of my purses. These guys I'm just gonna fold down on the crease line. Oof, my nails are looking nasty. I'm waiting to do my new sticker nails, and I just ripped this nail tonight and this nail, so now they're not long anymore. We're getting long. Okay, so this guy, as you can see, there's tabs on here, and then tabs. Make sure the tabs are on the inside, and let's glue him down. Oh, again, working backwards. You could have glued your matting piece on first. Right piece. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. Again, just glue on this tab. Like so. So the panels don't go all the way up to the main piece of the purse. Like I said, you could have glued the panels, the matting pieces down first, so I'm going to do that. Make sure they are upright. So there's that guy. The other side. Oh, photo mat him. He's on there still. I can push down my side pieces. So sometimes with boxes, you never know what's going to be the easiest way to, assemble it or whatnot. I'm going to do both sides. So far, I'm liking the way that I've assembled this. It's easy. So this, you just push down and pinch at the top. Pinch at the top so it at least grab there, and then you can push down on all the other parts. And then you can get in, line it up, flatten it out, push it down. On this side, it looks pretty lined up. Very easy to assemble. Okay, and then this guy. Push it in, and then push down on the inside. There you go. You can just leave this like a little box if you wanted. Okay, I'm gonna glue the handles on. A shadow piece. And I always get asked this paper. This is the stuff that we saw Jen, Strawberry and Cream, started the craze for this neon cardstock on Amazon. It is sold out and it's old, so I don't know that it'll ever come back. So sorry guys. Okay, let me photo mat the back because like I said, I'm always all over the place, especially with tutorials. I'm always doing stuff backwards or not paying attention or getting too excited and getting ahead of myself. And then like I said, you can glue these on the inside like this if you wanted, but I like the look of it on the outside. So I'm going to glue him down right about here. It's going to go right on the sequins. Let me turn it around so I can push down on it. Thing right here. Push these down. Flip-a-roo. And look how stinking cute this little box is. Super easy. I don't like when stuff like curves usually with dies because like I said, I try to craft fast. But this was super easy and simple to do. And I left this little piece out that you could further layer and do a layer over the handles or maybe under the handles, and you can put it like right here. Just another, you know how purses have like leather at the bottom or something, say fabric up here and then leather. But I want, like I said, I wanted the shaker to show. You don't have to make it a shaker. And for reference, this guy at the base is 4 1/4 wide, but at the very top, it's a little wider. It's 5 1/4, so a good inch wider at the top. And then this part of the box height is 3 1/2. This guy in the front is 4, so about a 1/2 inch difference. And then from bottom to top of the handle is a little over 6 1/2 inches tall. So very fun. Could stick with a ton of little goodies in here. This is the Kscraft Ghosty die, and that fits like a glove in here. Look, you can even like glue it like this. Have a ghosty handle. But if you made a tag flip, it could fit in there. How cute. Oh, and I forgot, like I said, I get ahead of myself, I get excited. So the shaker in the front, this is actually the Graveyard Bash. This is from Magical Mixery Store. It is so perfect with this collection. This is the Fairy Tale Club. Andrea, she does like fun, spunky, hand-drawn paper and designs and ephemera and stickers and pins. So I've had this in my stash for years and I've never used it because I was scared to play with bright, bold colors. But this is like a pastel-a-ween and I am just loving it. So yeah, that is everything. And I will link it down below and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.